नो मैम, वही तो मैं आपको कल भी बोली कि 40 मिनट से ज्यादा ये लोग अलाउ ही नहीं करेंगे, देन यू हैव टू बाय द प्रोडक्ट। मैं आपको उसके लिए तो मैं कल ही आपको बोली, आप मुझे बोले कि नो नो इट्स कांट बी, इट कांट बी, इट कांट बी।
Can we start? Are the parents here?
Ready with this piece
Miss
of paper?
Radhika?
Sorry
Yes,
for the
Preetha ma'am,
inconvenience.
start. Yes.
Yes. Sorry for the inconvenience, children. So, we are all ready with this piece of paper, right?
Show it once, please.
Yes. No, I have not yet started. Just be ready with this piece of paper.
I don't have this. I have to make this. That is why I am telling you to show. What is the
this
back?
is just a 10 by 10 centimeter piece of paper, which is red on one side and white on the other side. Okay.
About this,
Yes,
so
just
I'm
make it quickly.
kind of white one.
Yeah,
Then
just
you can
red on one
join
side
it.
and white.
Then you can join it. Madam Chakraborty,
Yes.
Yes,
Mrs. Chakraborty, you can join it.
it.
Yes, paste the paper. Yes, paste the paper onto it. Yes,
Okay.
yes. Paste it,
Yes,
paste it.
paste the paper. Yes. It must be a square paper. It must be a square paper. Okay. Okay, children. So I hope all of you are ready with this piece of paper. Okay. So let's start making our Christmas father. Okay, children. So see, this is the piece of paper. First, you have to fold it like this. Okay. Make a triangle like this. Make a triangle like this. Okay. Then open it up on the white side and fold it from left like this. Okay. And like this. Okay. I hope you all are following my hands. Okay. After this, you have to fold it from low top corner to the top corner. Lowest corner to the top corner. Okay, children? Fold it like this. See, just with like this, we have done it before. Then we are folding it and joining the lower part with the upper part. Okay, children? See, the back side will look like this. The back side is going to look like this, children. Okay? Okay. Now, again, take that like this and fold it like this. Okay? Fold it like this. See how it is looking. Fold it like this. Okay? Now, give a second fold like this. Give a second fold. Okay, see how it is looking? It is looking like this. Okay, children? It is looking like this. Now, you are going to fold it like this on one side and like this on the other. Almost we are ready with our Christmas father. So, now can we hear a story about our Christmas father? Once upon a time, there was a boy named Jack. He made a wish for Santa to come on Christmas and put something special on his socks, waiting for a huge guy with a huge belly. Then one night, what happened, you know? Jack's wish came true. Jack was shocked seeing that somebody is putting something in his socks. And do you know what he saw? He saw his father. Yes, children. So, now take a red bindi, children, for the nose and put it here. So, children, Santa Claus can be anyone. who loves one another, and 6 to make them happy. So I hope everybody have their dad to be their Santa, 2 merry black eyes. See children, 2 bindis for the black eyes. So 2 merry black eyes, a very little nose, a long snowy beard, and cheeks like a rose, a round chubby man, a big bulging fan. Right? So here is our Santa Claus. Yes, children, all of you enjoyed making your Christmas father? Thank you, children.
Thank you, Mrs. Banerjee. So children, show us your craft work. Come on, everyone. How did you make your Santa, Father Santa? Come on. Yeah, excellent. Whoa. Everyone has done a fantastic job.
Very nice. See how easily we made our Christmas father. I hope you love the
Exactly.
craft, children.
So children, what you can do, you can clap for yourself. I want everyone to clap for yourself. You have done an amazing job. You clap, come on. Clap for yourself. Very good. Now I would like to call upon Mrs. Bernadette. She is going to entertain you with some exciting action songs. So children, get ready to rock the dance floor.
Good morning, everyone. Hey, Pintu, say good morning to your friends. Good morning, everyone. I'm Pintu, Pintu the parrot. Good morning. How are you? Say, I'm fine, thank you. Okay. So, children, are you all feeling cold today? Pintu, are you feeling cold? Yes, I'm feeling cold. But why are you feeling cold? Because it is winter season. So can we all dance and warm ourselves? Yes, do you all want to warm yourself with a little dance? Okay, so can we all stand and start dancing? So I want everyone to stand and start dancing with ma'am. Children, you all can just stand and we will start dancing now. Children, stand up.
All of you stand up, please, to enjoy the dance.
I'm so happy, oh so happy, sing with me. Na, 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 I'm so happy,
Come on, Avri, dance.
sing with me. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Dance everybody and sing with me. La la la, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake, shake, shake your hips. Shake, shake, shake your hips. I know a song and it goes like this. I know a song and it goes like this. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy.
enjoyed the song. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Bernadette. So children, please be seated. Now, I'm gonna show you a picture of an animal, okay? And you need to tell me which animal is that. So get ready, everyone. Come on. Now, can you see an animal on your screen? Come on, give it a try. What is that?
Yeah.
What is it? Very good. Very good. Okay, it's not just a deer, but it is a reindeer. Okay, children, it's a reindeer. So today I'm going to tell you a story of a reindeer whose name was Rudolph. But Rudolph was not just an ordinary reindeer. Okay, he was a very special reindeer, very special one. Okay, why you know why he was special? Because he had a red glowing nose. But Rudolph was not too sure about his nose. It didn't look like all the other reindeers' noses. He heard the other reindeers making fun of his nose, and this made Rudolph very sad. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. And you know what happened? That night was in fact Christmas Eve. And Mr. Santa was getting ready with all of his reindeers together to fly around the world. But when Mr. Santa looked out of the window, he saw that there is a thick fog all over the world. And the fog was so thick that even the reindeer eyes might struggle to see through it. Now, what will Mr. Santa do? He needs to deliver all the presents tonight. All the children of the world are waiting for them. At that very time, Rudolph was passing by. And Mr. Santa saw a red glowing nose of Rudolph. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? He then asked him, hey, buddy Rudolph, what plans do you have for tonight? I hope you are free. Rudolph answered, nothing special. Mr. Santa then said, Rudolph, we need you tonight. Come on, Rudolph, lead the way. Rudolph was very nervous. He was not sure of what he was going to do. The other reindeers were glaring at him. Rudolph's red bright nose lit the way forward for Santa and the other reindeers. With the help of Rudolph's bright nose and the other reindeers, of course, Santa was able to deliver every present to every child on that Christmas night. All the other reindeers also realized how special Rudolph is and felt very bad about making fun of him. Then how the reindeer left him and they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Since that night, children, you know, Rudolph forever led Santa's sleigh and he became famous in the history of Christmas. So children, what is the moral of the story? Can anyone tell me? What is the moral that we learn? If you heard my story very carefully, come on, you can try. What do we learn from this story? What is the moral of the story?
Parents can unmute themselves.
Come on, parents. Come on. Yes, you can try. Yes, come on. Okay. Yes. Okay, I think nobody have heard my story very carefully. I'm very sad. But I will tell you what is the moral of the story, children. We should never ever make fun of others. Okay, children? Never. And one more thing that we learn from the story is that we should always be happy of what we have. Isn't it? Okay. So, children, I hope you enjoyed the story of Rudolph. Now let us learn a new form of art today. It is called messy art. Now over to Mrs. Mukherjee.
Thank you, Ms. R. Yadav. Good morning to everyone present here. I hope you have enjoyed the story and the music and dance that was going on. And now we are going to learn about a different form of art, the toddlers, and that's the messy art. And it's the most loved art, you know, parents, because children love to mess around. And we should allow them to mess around. Okay, so I will show you a few pictures and tell you what messy art is and how messy art can be helpful for the children, for the development of their children. So you see, messy art is a fun activity. It is the creative activity for the kids. It encourages the children to learn about the textures of the raw materials like the pulses, rice, sand, sugar, flour, etc., all thrown around us. And they love and play and mess around with them in an unrestricted way. And they get to know about the textures of these materials. It inspires their curiosity and the freedom to try out new things. When they squeeze the soft dough or scoop out sand, they are not only developing their fine motor skills, but in the process, they are also refining their sensory organs. Their most loved messy ingredient, you know, parents, is paint, with which they can explore a wide range of activities. So I would like to show you, parents. I hope you could see the pictures, parents. No, okay, sorry. Then I would show it to you again once more. Okay, here is the messy art. It is the fun and creative activity for the kids. It encourages the children to learn about the textures of all these things, pulses, rice, sand, sugar, flour, whatever is thrown all around us. And they like to play and mess around with them in an unrestricted way. So you can see the children playing with it, making some activities, playing some activities with it. They are squeezing the soft dough, scooping out sand. And by this process, they are developing their fine motor skills. And in the process, their sensory organs are also being developed. They can sense the textures as they touch the cloth, the cellophane, the plastic, water, mud, sand. So as they touch these things, they know what is actually the texture of each material which is around us. Their most loved messy ingredient is, of course, paint, with which they can explore a wide range of activities. So parents, today I will show you definitely how a child can mess with paint and create a beautiful Christmas tree for the upcoming Christmas festival. But before the children mess with their hands with paint, parents, I hope you have got some sand or rice or pulses in a bowl. Yes, do you have it? You have a bowl, then fill it up with some anything, pulses or rice, and then hide some coins. You have some coins?
Coin
Hide
আছে?
it, hide it
এই নাও,
inside.
দেখো। দেখো, 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 দাঁড়াও, দাঁড়াও, দাঁড়াও।
Coins
Then
को
we
जगह
find it out with these two
দেখো, দেখো।
fingers. This is the
রাখো,
pincer
দেখো।
grip. The more activities you
কয়েনটাকে
can
খোঁজো,
do
দাঁড়াও।
with
খোঁজো।
these three fingers, their writing will improve. They will develop a grip on the pencil. So the pincer grip should improve and develop with all these pincer grip activities when they are holding the coin with these two fingers, these three fingers actually. So let them now find out the coins one by one. How many have you found out? Show me the coins, children. How many you have found out? Yes, Averi is doing very well. That's good. And even I can see Mr. Das. Very good. The young Mr. Das is doing very good. So find out the coins that your mother has hidden inside the rice or the sand, whatever you have. Okay, so how many you have found out? Show it to me. I have found out so many. See, 4 of them. How many do you have? Show me. Yes, good, Averi, very good. Very nice. Okay. So now I will show you. So now just dust your hands off. Now let's do something with the messy ingredient paint. Okay. I hope you have arranged for some sponge or Scotch Brite. Cut it out into a small triangle like this, parents. Cut it out into a small triangle like this. Now add some water. Do not add much water. Do not add much water to the green color, green paint. Take some green paint. We are going to paint a beautiful Christmas tree. Okay, parents? So you see, we will paint a beautiful Christmas tree with the Scotch Brite. Okay. So apply some paint on the Scotch Brite or dip it. In the bowl you have taken the paint, green color. Don't add too much of water, otherwise it will start dripping out. Okay? Then slowly, slowly, keep painting, pressing the Scotch Brite with the paint. See, the fingers are getting messy. Let it get messy. The more the mess, the beautiful the craft is going to come out. I hope you can see, parents. Now take some brown color take some brown color and we will make the So with this brown color, with the napkin or with the Scotch-Brite or with the sponge, you can just dab it and there you get the trunk of the Christmas tree. Let us make some gifts, small gifts. Let us decorate the Christmas tree. Let us decorate the Christmas tree with few colors. Wipe your hands if it is too messy. Let us draw a Christmas star on top. Star is very simple, you know, children. They are just two triangles drawn upside down. So you children see, children, the Christmas tree is made. Oh God, it was really messy, children. Isn't it? Paint all over my hand. So I hope you can see it nicely. I hope parents, you can see. Yes, can it be seen? Yes, please tell me if it can be seen.
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
it is being seen.
Yes.
Yes, we can see.
Okay, thank you. So this is a Christmas tree. Let it dry. So I hope you enjoyed doing the Christmas tree. It was really messy. I hope you have a napkin beside you. Okay, wipe your hands. But the more messy it is, the more the beautiful the Christmas tree will come out. See, it's a messy art actually. And slowly these children will learn to mess around with colors, but yet create beautiful objects and creative things. Okay. And you know another, children love to play with the play dough. I will show you parents how very easily at home you can make the play dough and let your children play with it. Let them make different shapes with it. Okay. I will show you how to make the Good morning, everyone. Now I'm going to show you how you can make the play dough at home. It's very easy. So let us see step by step. See 1 cup of flour.
Bachi, the sound is not coming properly.
If it is too dry, take 1 cup of flour, half cup of salt, and half cup of water. Mix the water gradually with the flour and salt. If it is too dry, add a little more water. Then use your hand to knead it smooth. If it is too sticky, add in a little flour and knead it nicely to make a soft, stretchable dough. It is now ready for your child to play. You can add few drops of food color or washable paint to give color to the play dough. Knead it well along with the dough, roll it and give beautiful colors to the play dough. Store them in a airtight packet in a refrigerator to prevent it from drying.
So you see, parents, it's so easy to make the play dough at home. Just 1 cup of flour, half cup of salt, and half cup of water. Mix it nicely. You can add some food color or some poster colors. Okay, and then tell your child to make and do some shapes with it. They will enjoy it. So hope to meet you soon in our PBS classroom. Parents, thank you. Now I would like to call upon our most honorable management trustee, Mrs. Kirti Bhagchakar, to say a few words.
Hello parents, good morning. I hope all of you had a peek through of what we do in our school in online classes. I am seeing that there are some children who are restless. It is fine, let them just be. I know online classes can be very daunting for them. Don't worry. I am reading in papers every day that the chances of vaccine coming soon is there. So we are very hopeful that, in April, we can start our normal school with people getting vaccine and it is safe. But nevertheless, at the same time, what I would really suggest is why it is important for a child to do an online class, or why is it important for a child to be in a school, is because they need to have a structured environment. The child should know that there is a difference between mother and a teacher, and you will slowly realize that the child will listen more to the teacher because they feel that that she is my teacher and I have to listen to them. Also, another thing is that they will also meet their own friends. A lot of us, nowadays we are living in a nuclear family. The children are not meeting other children, and this can have a very deep psychological impact. So in our school, when we do an online classes, all the children are meeting each other, they're interacting with each other. So this helps them to be little normal. So, and we are very pro students. We are a big family, as ma'am has mentioned. So I hope we get to see you all soon, and we are very, very hopeful. I think the whole world is very hopeful that life becomes normal. And as a school, we are hopeful that in April we see all the children back in our school. We really miss them. We miss that hustle and bustle. And I have to tell you that our teachers are doing fabulous job. All of them are, now they have become a pro in handling children online. And I can really say that these children have a lot of fun when they are online. And plus, we do a lot of WhatsApp to the parents. There are some parents who say, ma'am, my children is hyper. They cannot sit in front of the computer or a phone. So we totally understand that. We totally respect that part. We provide all the information in WhatsApp. Also, our teachers record the video. Any parent having any issue, they can very well call up the teacher, and teacher takes personal attention to every child's progress. So I feel that is a USP of our school, that we give personalized attention to every child. And it is not only about the children. We want the parents to be part of our school. We have so many activities where we involve parents, grandparents, and everyone. So thank you, parents, for this beautiful, beautiful session. And thank you, teachers, for this session. And thank you, parents, for joining us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Parents, I hope you have
Thank you,
enjoyed
ma'am.
today's
Thank you, ma'am.
fun-filled interactive online session.
But before we end,
Okay, wishing to see you all in the academic year 2021-22. But before that, we have got a pleasant takeaway for you and the little ones. So I would request all the teachers and the children to sing along with us.
get ready,
Parents, you can
children.
join us.
So what do we do when we are happy? What do we do when we are happy? When you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Clap, clap. When you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Clap, clap. When you're happy. When you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Clap, clap.
When you're happy and you know, click your fingers. When you're happy and you know, click your fingers. When you're happy and you really want to show. When you're happy and you know, click your fingers.
When you're happy and you know, say hurrah, hurrah. When you're happy and you know, say hurrah, hurrah. When you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. When you're happy and you know, say hurrah, hurrah.
When you're happy and you know, say bye-bye. When you're happy and you know, say bye-bye. When you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. When you're happy and you know, say bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe, children. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
children.
Everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Parents, you may please log out. Mrs. Singha.
Mr. Ghosh, Mr. Das, Mr. Haldar. Thank you. You may please log off.